10 Unexpected Side Effects of Frozen Food. Frozen food has become increasingly popular in our fast-paced, convenience-driven society. Quick and easy to prepare, frozen meals offer a solution to busy people who don't have the time to cook from scratch. However, there are several unexpected side effects that come with consuming these frozen meals. Here are 10 unexpected side effects of frozen food that you may not have known about. 1. Heart disease. Frozen foods are often full of preservatives, salts, and unhealthy fats that can contribute to heart disease. The high sodium content in many frozen meals can make you retain water and increase blood pressure, leading to heart problems. Moreover, many frozen foods are high in trans fats and saturated fats, which can increase levels of unhealthy cholesterol in the blood and increase the risk of heart disease. 2. High in preservatives. Preservatives are added to frozen foods to extend their shelf life and prevent bacterial growth. While beneficial for food safety, excessive consumption of preservatives can have negative effects on your health. Many common preservatives such as sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate have been linked to allergic reactions and gastrointestinal problems when consumed in large amounts. Therefore, it is crucial to read labels carefully and limit intake of overly processed or highly preserved frozen foods. 3. Diabetes. Frozen food often contains high levels of sugar and carbohydrates, which can increase the risk of developing diabetes. This is especially true for frozen meals that are marketed as healthy or low-fat, as they often contain added sugars to improve taste. 4. Risk of anemia. Frozen foods are often processed with high amounts of sodium and preservatives, which can interfere with the body's ability to absorb iron. Additionally, frozen meals may lack the necessary nutrients that come from fresh whole foods, including vitamin C, which aids in iron absorption. Over time, consistent consumption of frozen food may lead to iron deficiency anemia, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and other health complications. 5. Higher levels of artificial colors and flavors. Frozen food is often loaded with artificial colors and flavors to make it taste better and look more appealing. However, these additives can have detrimental effects on your health. Studies have shown that some artificial colors and flavors may be linked to hyperactivity, allergy-related symptoms, and even cancer. It is important to read the labels of frozen food products and choose options that are free from these harmful additives. 6. Incorrect freezer temperature. Freezing food at the wrong temperature can cause it to lose its nutritional value, flavor, and texture. Additionally, it can lead to the growth of harmful bacteria that can make you sick. In order to avoid side effects of frozen food, it's important to ensure your freezer is set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius, or lower. This ensures that your food freezes quickly and prevents bacterial growth. 7. Nutrient loss. When foods are frozen, the freezing process can cause the breakdown and loss of some of the essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. This can make frozen foods less nutritious than fresh options, particularly when it comes to vitamins C and B. To mitigate the risk of nutrient loss, it's essential to choose high-quality frozen foods that have been minimally processed and stored correctly. 8. Weight gain. Frozen meals often contain high amounts of sodium and preservatives, which can lead to water retention and inflammation in the body. These additives can also affect your metabolism, making it harder for you to burn calories efficiently. Furthermore, frozen food is usually loaded with calories and fats. Consuming high-calorie frozen meals on a regular basis can lead to weight gain and even obesity. It's important to read the labels and choose frozen meals that are low in calories and fat. 9. Pancreatic cancer. The high levels of preservatives and additives present in frozen meals have been linked to this deadly disease. Certain studies have found that the long-term consumption of frozen food is associated with an elevated risk of pancreatic cancer, especially in women. Preservatives like nitrites and nitrates present in frozen meat products also have carcinogenic properties that can cause cancer. 10. Headaches. Do you ever get headaches after eating frozen food? This could be due to the high levels of sodium and preservatives in these meals. Sodium can cause dehydration, which can trigger headaches, while preservatives like monosodium glutamate, MSG, have been linked to migraines in some people. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.